Now I am going to make one amplifier. This is the base tune circuit for this amplifier. One volume, one balance, one base, one treble. This is the transistor amplifier circuit board. Here is two transistor. This is the heatsink, and these two transistor. I am going to use these two transistor in this circuit. One is C5200, another one is A1943. This is the cabinet, speaker output line, Bluetooth card. This is the AC wire. Okay, I'm going to check the voltage. I already make the voltage. It has 12 voltage, dual voltage, ground, negative, positive, negative 34, positive 34. Now I am going to fix this capacitor, this transistor with the circuit. This is C5200 positive transistor. This one positive C5200 positive transistor. This one is negative transistor A1943. Now I am going to solder this transistor with the circuit. I am soldering. Here this soldering iron need to more hot. Need more hot, wait for a while. It's hot, ready. Now I am soldering transistor with the circuit. Okay, I soldered ready. Now I am going to fix the transistor with the heatsink. Need to measure first. I have to make two hole for the transistor. Okay, now I have to make two hole using the drill machine. Okay, I already made two hole. Now I am going to fix this transistor with the circuit. This is the thermal paste. Always use the thermal paste. It's very important to use thermal paste. This is the separator. Must use separator because this transistor, one transistor is positive and another one is negative. So we have to use the separator 100%. Again I am using thermal paste. Now I am going to fix this transistor with this heatsink. Okay, fix ready. Now I am going to fix with the cabinet. Here will be I will use screw with body and heatsink from the down. Okay, I already fix. Now need to connect on the wire, the voltage. This is the negative voltage. This is the negative voltage. This one is the positive voltage. Red wire is the positive. Red wire is the positive voltage. This is the positive. And black one is the negative voltage. This is the negative voltage. And now ground. I am using the strong wire for the ground voltage. Always we have to use a strong wire for the ground voltage. Now this is the speaker connection. This wire is not good. I have to change the wire. This wire is not good, very thick, very small wire. I have to use another good quality one wire. This wire is good. This is the ground voltage for the speaker output. Now I am using here. This is the ground voltage. Okay, now speaker output wire. These two are speaker output. We have only one board. For this case, we make this two wire together. This one is speaker output wire. Speaker output. Now I am going to check the circuit. I am plugging. Okay. Now this is the ground, black one. Negative is 33 voltage, positive is 33 voltage. Speaker output no voltage. That means circuit is okay. In AC voltage, I am going to take this circuit. When I am touching the input, the voltage is coming out. That means circuit is okay. Touching input, the AC voltage is coming out. That means circuit is okay. Must AC voltage come out. Okay, it's good. Circuit is fully working. Now I have to I'm checking the speaker. Oh, it's working, making noise. Now I am going to use this based on circuit. This is 12 voltage. Already use one transistor. Audio input, audio output. This output goes to here, and input comes from the Bluetooth card. Okay, I am fixing this Bluetooth 8 based on circuit. It has one volume, this one base, one treble, and one balance. Okay, now need 12 voltage, not 12 voltage. They have one 12 voltage regulated IC. I am going to use the high voltage, AC, positive voltage. The 33 volt will comes here. There have one 12 voltage regulated IC in the based on circuit. 7, 8, 12. Okay, this is the ground. Now input. The based on output goes to amplifier input. Based on output goes to amplifier input. Okay, this is the audio output from the based on goes to audio input to the amplifier circuit. This is the audio input. Now I am going to check the grid. It's working very well. Sorry, I cannot play the song for the copyright issue. When touching the input, the speaker makes noise. Now I'm going to check the voltage, 12 voltage. This is the ground, and you can see here is the 12. 11.9, that means 12 voltage. Now this is the speaker audio output from the Bluetooth card. Audio output from the Bluetooth card goes to based on circuit input section. Okay, It's the audio input. This will come from the Bluetooth card and goes to based on input. Okay. Now need the voltage for the Bluetooth card, 5 volts. Now I am going to use 1 voltage regulated IC. This one 7805 to make the 5 volts. Sorry. Here middle leg is the ground, left leg is the main voltage, right leg is the 5 voltage. Sorry, it's making problem. Left leg is the positive voltage, middle leg is the ground voltage, right leg is the output. Now it's make 5 volts. I am checking it makes or not. This is the ground and look 5 volts for the Bluetooth card. Now this is the positive voltage. This is positive. This is the negative ground. Negative goes to the ground voltage. It's the ground. Now I'm going to check. Oh, it's working very well and makes the sound. Sorry, I cannot play the song for the copyright issue. Thank you for watching. If you want the circuit diagram, you can check the comment link. There have the same circuit diagram. Thank you for watching the video.